welcome to the vlog. Don't know when it's going up. My family's watching now and then. We were just watching it all together, but now we're gonna work out. Also, if you've never seen Now and Then, you're missing out on life. That was like mine and my sister's movie growing up. How do I fix this? It was our movie growing up. Yeah, we're gonna work out and then probably not do anything. But tomorrow I need to go do some things. Tomorrow is a busy day. It's gonna be a busy next few days actually. Well, maybe we'll tell you about it, maybe we won't. It's all up to my sister. I'll update you, I'll show you whatever we're doing. But yeah, that's what's up. It's Friday. So it's finally the freaking weekend. I'm about to have me some fun.
I'm bitching. Great hair. The boys all love to stare.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. I'm bitching. Great hair. The boys all love to stare. Let's go. I'm on it. I'm hot. I'm everything you're not. Stay hot. We're beautiful, but we don't like you either. We're cheerleaders. We are cheerleaders. Good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Get over the neck.
I'm tired. That's like an understatement. I'm exhausted physically and mentally. So we did a workout. We did legs and then that dance that you saw. That was MK Fit. Her dances are amazing. It's HIIT dances. HIIT is high intensity interval training. Like 20 seconds off, 10 seconds, or honestly less than 10 seconds with her. Like 7 seconds off. And it's so fun. It doesn't feel like a workout because you're having a blast, but it's hard. And she is Canadian, so it's fun to support local Canadians. She has so many. There's gonna be something that you like on her channel. So if you want to have fun and dance while working out, I would suggest that you check out her channel. She has no idea who I am. I'm saying this because this is what I think, truly. So, yeah, if she doesn't know who I am, she doesn't know I'm saying this. I hope you guys are doing good. Leave it down in the comments. Tell me what you're up to. Are you going on any vacations? The world is starting to open up a little bit more. It's starting to open, like, real life, really here. The only thing is masks are still mandatory. I want to go on a trip so bad. So bad. I want to go to a beach. I want to go to Florida. I need to travel. Once you can travel on a plane and come back to Canada without needing to quarantine or take any test, I'm booking so many flights. I want to go everywhere. Everywhere. I miss traveling. I miss getting out and going places. I love to travel. Like, oh, it makes me so happy. I like seeing new places. It's great. Good morning, guys. It's now Saturday. I just realized I can tell you what I'm doing today because this will go up after it happens. So I'm putting together a little care basket for my sister. I need to go get a basket and a couple other things. Alright, I'm doing my hair. I'm waving it with this. It was my sister's, or is. It's a Vital Sassoon, I think is how you say it. We've had this since high school for years and years. And I bought another one from Bedhead, you know, the blue ones, that the really deep one everyone has. But I'm just gonna use this one for now. I might not have time to do my makeup, but at least my hair will be done. Hair done. Okay, I'm totally ready. Got my makeup on. I'm wearing leggings, and I never ever wear leggings, so this is weird. This is very weird. I'm cold already. I'm 1000% done with winter. It's still snowing here. It's snowing right now, actually. And I'm just done. I'm ready for green trees, buds on the trees, green trees, flowers, green grass, the smell of dirt in the air. I'm ready for spring. I'm over winter. I have been for a while. I'm finished with winter on December 26th. Well, maybe 2 New Year's, so like July 2nd. Not July, January 2nd. I mean, it feels like winter goes until July, honestly. I'm done. I want it to go away. I need spring and summer to come. About a month left of winter, and then hopefully we'll be done. Fingers crossed. I'm wearing this Bath & Body Works rose mist today. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, and the bottle is so pretty. I love it. The skies are black. There's snow. Oh my gosh. Alright, we're in a store now. Sunshine Tiger. I'm looking for more things for my sister. Sometimes they have nice clothes though, so I'm looking at the clothes first. But there's literally a squall. I'm gonna show you. It's a squall outside. If you don't know what that is, I'm about to show you. Look at this. It's a blizzard. But it's not called a blizzard anymore, it's called a squall. Finn. I scare him. Finn! Hey. He just cares about his treats.
What's he doing?
Eating something. Finn! Yo!
Well, he's gonna want to lick your face. Oh, right into the camera.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. It's 9:30. I'm gonna make some crepes. Although I made them last time and I don't know how to make them thin enough. We're going to do it anyway because I want some crepes and bacon. I think that's it. My mom's shoveling the snow off my grandma's balcony. Finn likes it. Finn loves the snow. Okay, I need to whisk together the milk and eggs. Okay, eggs are in. Let's start whisking. They're ready. The greatest looking, but that's all right.